Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add friends on Monster Hunter now. If you are looking for a way to add friends so that you can team up with your fellow hunter and conquer monster together, then here is how you can easily do it. In order to be able to add friends, first of all, you will need to reach the level 6. Continue hunting your monster, and then once you reach to HR6, you can simply add friends. From the main homepage of Monster Hunter Now, tap on your profile picture at the bottom left corner. You will then be able to see this interface. Tap on Friends from the list and tap on Add Friends. You can add friends on Monster Hunter Now using two different ways. The first way is to add a friend by code. Once you open up Add Friend option, you will then be able to see the QR code and the text code generated on the next page. To add friends by the code, you will then need to enter your friend's code in the text box where it says Add Friend. Tap on the Add button and tap on Send Request. Similarly, if you want to add friends by QR code, simply tap on the QR option and tap on Allow. From your phone's camera, make sure to scan your friend's QR code, and then you'll be able to add them on Monster Hunter Now. You can have up to 400 friends in Monster Hunter Now. Once your friend accepts your request, you will then be able to add them as a friend on Monster Hunter Now within a few minutes. So that is how you can easily add friends on Monster Hunter. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.